I'm going to tell you why I chose this 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory over a 2018 or 19 KTM 1290 Super Duke R.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continually video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
Before I get on this bike and ride it, just look at it, man. It's absolutely gorgeous. Much better looking than the KTM 1290 Super Duke R. Way better looking in my opinion. That's the #1 reason why I chose this bike over it. But that wasn't the main deciding factor. We'll talk about it. First, let me get on this awesome beast of a bike. It's absolutely amazing, man. Woo! Ooh, hear that V4? Oh, she sounds good, baby, but she needs a pipe. She's just too quiet. Another big reason why I chose the this bike over the KTM is the I really couldn't find that great of a deal on the KTM. First, let me get some power on this. Look at that. Oh man! Oh my! Oh! This thing wants to rip your arms off, man. I'm still getting used to the quick shifter too, man. I keep wanting to use the clutch. But oh, this bike is amazing, man. But yeah, I couldn't find that good of a deal on the KTM, man. The cheapest I could find anywhere around here was like 16,000, and as where I got this deal on this bike was only 13,000. So that saved me 3,000. And another thing that really irritates me with KTM that I don't like is they charge you extra for the quick shifter, and also for the you have to buy one package for the quick shifter, which I think is $300, and to get the ability to turn off all the rider aids, you have to buy another performance package, which is an additional $400 or something like that. It's like a total of $700 just to get a quick shifter and cut the electronic rider aids off. That is absolutely BS, and the bike is already expensive as it is, man. It's ridiculous. It makes no sense why they charge all that extra power. And also another big reason why I didn't get the KTM is because this Aprilia beats it in every shootout. And also, if you go to Cycle World and you look at the performance numbers, comparisons of both bikes, it beats it in every way. Off the line, the 0 to 60, 60 to 80 roll-ons, 0 to 100, quarter mile. It doesn't beat it by a whole bunch, but it beats it in every way, man. Every single way it beats the KTM. So why would I pay an extra $3,000, actually extra $4,000 almost, for a bike that doesn't even beat this bike in any way, shape, or form? A lot of you guys say, oh, it has more torque. The KTM has more torque than this bike, and they say, oh, it feels more power down low, but the performance numbers don't reflect that, man. It doesn't reflect that. Like I said, go to Cycle World. I'll post the link and you can see the performance numbers comparison. It beats it in every way, oh man, it feels good, baby. And the sound at V4, you can't beat the V4, guys. The V4 sound is amazing. I see why Ducati put it on their Panigales, man. It's absolutely amazing. I should say Panigale, only one. They put it on the new V4, and everybody loves the V4 engine on the Ducati. And I tell you, this is where it started. Everybody loves the V4 on this bike, man. And so in my opinion, I've already had a twin. I had the L twin with the Ducati, which was absolutely amazing on that Ducati X Diavolo S. Oh baby! Oh man! Oh shit! Ah! That's what I'm talking about. I love the bike, but I'm just not ready for cruiser life with the feet forward position. I just couldn't deal with it, man. And I'm a sport bike guy at heart. I like this little bike, lightweight compared to the Ducati. Ducati was like 545 something pounds, but it was a cruiser, and that's light for a cruiser. Yeah, the KTM, it just doesn't make sense money wise, and like it feels, and when I sat on the Super Duke, which I went to a KTM dealer and I sat on it, it feels top heavy, man, to me. It's that big hump of a tank and everything, which is not that big of a deal. It's a sick bike, don't get me wrong, man. I'm not completely hating on the bike at all, and I still may get it. Like I tell you guys, I want to change bikes every year, and that'll probably be the next bike that I get. So don't say, CycleCruza, you're hating, quit talking trash. You know, the KTM Super Duke is amazing, it's awesome. I'll get to it. I'll get to it, guys. But right now, we're going to love on this Aprilia for a while, baby. I may keep it permanent in the garage because it is absolutely amazing. And when I put a pipe on this bike, man, oh my goodness, boy, I'm going to be busting all kinds of nuts. It is going to be filthy up in here. Oh man, I don't like riding at 40 miles an hour on this bike, though, I tell you, boy. I mean, it's smooth and it's fine, but you got to put some power on this baby to really enjoy this bike, man. Hyper boost on! Oh yeah! Oh God! But it is, I love how comfortable the seating position. A lot of you guys said, CycleCruza, you should have got the KTM because it has a more upright seating position. Dude, this feels comfortable, man. And it's perfect because it's a little lean forward and it's sporty. And also when you're on the highway, you don't feel any wind blast at all. You're in a more sporty position. You have this shield here, and the wind goes right over you. You don't even feel the wind. It's not an issue. You know, I crack up when I hear some of you guys complain about, you know, wind fatigue. I'm like, what are you guys, pansies or something, man? It reminds me of you guys that complain about seat height. I swear, guys, I mean, there is no wind fatigue on this bike. Now, mind you, I haven't ridden across the country. So, which I want to with this bike now. I don't want to put this bike away, man. This bike is amazing. But like I said, I'll probably own the KTM, so don't get in a hissy fit about it. But this bike, really, you can't argue, guys. It beats it in every way, man. You get the quick shifter with the auto blip up and down, free with the bike. You don't have to pay extra to unlock the features. And with this bike, you get that special V4, which is fairly rare, man. There's not a lot of bikes out there that has a V4. It's just what the Panigale has a V4, maybe a few other bikes. I don't know what other bike has a V4 besides the Panigale V4. And of course the Aprilia RS V4, which basically this is an Aprilia RS V4. They put bars on it, tuned it for the street. Pretty much the same thing. And which this is better though than a RS V4 because this is tuned for the street and it's more comfortable, man. I said I can ride all day like this, baby. This is sick. Oh man, got the lean angle sensor there. Look at that. See that? Look, some lean angle 20 degrees on there. Look, lean angle. I like that. That's dope, man. This bike is sick and it's good looking too. Good looking. Well, we got to get rid of these bad boys and put some bar end mirrors on here, put a pipe on there, baby. Woo! This bike is gonna be fire. It's already fire, but it is gonna be sick, man. Oh baby, that V4. Oh my good. Oh, listen to her, baby. Oh, she feels so good. This might get X-rated up in here, baby. Woo! I love it, baby. I feel good. I feel like I feel like James Brown up in here. Got the James Brown vibes. I feel good. Woo! I feel good. Yeah, baby. Got some corner action here. Look at here. Ooh, she take oh, them tires feel good. That sound is amazing. Oh Oh, baby. I found the bike of my dreams. This is it. This is it. This is the new queen of the garage. Right next to the YZ450FX, though. Oh, shit. I love that FX too, baby. In a different way. It's fast, but it's so lightweight and I can do so much on the FX, man. And woo, wheelie machine. This thing wants to wheelie too, baby. Oh my goodness. Thumbs up, baby. Thumbs up. But for those of you guys that want to get my gear, like this neck brace that I have on, that's absolutely awesome. My heated gloves, leather jackets, pants, boots, gloves, cameras, all my stuff. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Hit thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.